Stuck in a boring and underpaid job? This might be the greatest time in history to start your own thing online and gain financial independence. Click on the Learn More button somewhere around this video to receive the free workshops in your inbox that will introduce you to generating additional income online. Perhaps you can pay your bills with your salary, but how about your real needs, like spending more time with family and friends, or on the things that you're passionate about, perhaps affording a better house or a better education for your children? Did you know that you can earn additional income streams next to your job? No digital or entrepreneurial experience is needed when you can follow a proven framework. There is a link below that will take you to my website. Leave your contact details to receive the free workshops and learn how to secure your future. Here's my story. Back in 2019, my mother got seriously sick and she lost her mobility all of a sudden. She needed an expensive medical care she could not afford, and I could not help her financially either. That felt really miserable and painful, and to make things worse, I was blaming my husband for the poor financials. This got us on the verge of a divorce. These workshops that I am sharing with you today have opened my eyes for alternative, legitimate ways to earn income online. They motivated me to take action and take responsibility for my life. I joined a community of digital entrepreneurs that are willing to teach people like me, complete beginners. Back then I didn't know a thing about entrepreneurship, being an employee for 30 years. By following a proven framework, I knew exactly which steps to take when creating my online business. Whenever I got stuck with something technical around my website or I needed a strategic guidance, the mentors were there with me. They accelerated my journey. And within a year, I created a profitable online business promoting educational products that I'm really passionate about. I definitely needed to invest some of my spare time to make this work. Usually I worked an hour in the mornings before I went to work, and often an hour in the evenings when my children went to bed. If I could make it with a busy family life and a full-time job, I'm sure you can make it too. And it's so worth it. Today I can contribute to the care of my mother and see her live her life with dignity she deserves. She lives abroad, but I can visit her often. Because my work is in my laptop, I can take it wherever I like. This is another advantage of having an online business, the geographical freedom. I truly believe that this training that changed my life completely can help you too. Do yourself a favor and invest the next 30 minutes or so in yourself and your future. Click on the Learn More button to receive the free workshops and see for yourself if an online business is the right choice for you to secure your future and have a more fulfilling life. It's never too late to start changing. Take action.